Hey kids, do you know a magic trick with numbers? What happens when we put two numbers together? Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn basic addition in a fun and simple way. We will use easy examples so you can understand how to add numbers step by step. We have one apple plus two apples equals 3 apples. 2 butterflies plus 2 butterflies equals 4 butterflies. 4 chocolates plus 2 chocolates equals 6 chocolates. Now let us solve this problem. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 6, 7 equals 7. 3 plus 3. How much, children? Hold 3 fingers plus 3 fingers. That is 4, 5 and 6. Amazing job everyone. Keep practicing every day because practice makes you smarter with numbers. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye-bye.